have a good crying baby. Look at that intensity.
Crocodile tears.
Oh yeah, I got good shots of the crocodile tears.
It hurts so much to open presents.
It's Ethan's turn to cry. Ethan, open it, please. Open it, please. Please. He's like, what pre-tell is this?
Open it.
Yeah.
Let me take it so you can see his face. Open it. Open it all the way.
Looking in the glass.
What is it, Ethan? What is it? What is this? Rocket, yeah.
Is it Rocket? Say thank you.
Yeah, that's right. You want to open it?
Say yay!
Is it pat, pat, rocket? Pat, 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 pat.
Ethan, press the button.
Put your hands on your lap and pat to give rocket power. Pat, pat, pat. Mission completion. Put your hands on your lap and pat to give rocket power. Pat, pat, pat. Mission completion. Put your hands on your lap and pat to give rocket power.